Hello. So today we are doing this Leetcode easy find anagram mappings. This is an easy problem. So let's get started. So given two lists A and B, such that B is an anagram of A, which just means that B is made by randomizing the order of the elements in A, and A and B are lists. So what we want is to find the mapping P between the indices of A with the indices of B. So basically we want to find the mapping such that Pi equal to J, where the ith element of A is the same as the jth element of B. So here's the example. We have this array, this list A and this list B, and we should return this because 12 appears at position 1 in B. So we have 1. 28 appears in position 4, and you can see the deal there. Here are the constraints we have. The elements are between 1 and 100, and AI and BI can be in this range 0 to 10 to the power of 5. So let's see how we can kind of solve this problem. So we can solve it in like just using a hash map very quickly. And so basically what we are going to do is, so for B here, let's take B values. So what we can do is just take the values of B here and construct a map of from where the key is the value in B, and the value is the index in B. And from there, we can go through A and just take the value and get its index in B and add that to the result list. So very straightforward. So for example, for 50, that's 0. For 12, that's 1. For 32, that's 2. For 46, that's 3. For 28, that's 4. And so after that, we'll go through A. And the result would be basically, for 12, we are going to look, it's 1. For 28, we'll look in the hash map, it's 4. For 46, it's 3. And for 32, it's 2. And for 50, it's 0. So yeah, that's the exact result that we got here. So let's get started coding this. So what we need is a hash map of the keys of A, and then we need a result list. And so we need to go through B, elements in B, and construct the hash map, right? So we can enumerate B and say, okay, and B of I is going to be equal to B. And we can go through A as we did here in the example. And then we can just say res append MB of A. And that's about it. We can return res. Let's see if this solution passes here. Yep, I didn't. It should be the value and then the key, and then the index as the. So the value is the key and the index is the value. Okay, cool. Let's submit this. Yep, so it passed. Good. Now let's try. We can write this in a shorter form in Python. So we can just construct B in a simpler way by saying it's B, the key, and I, the value, for I and B as the index and the values in the list B, like this. And then we can return the same way we did before, A for A in A. So we can just use list comprehension here. This though should be a list. And that's the solution we have here. That's it today. See you next time. Bye.